Delicious V, and I'm back in 2021 with the hair videos. Y'all know I'm coming. I'm here. So today ULAHAIR has been nice enough to send me a headband wig, and actually this is my first time trying a headband wig, so I'm super excited because I watch other people's hair videos and I'm like, all right, I feel what y'all doing with the headband wigs, but I ain't never had one, so we gonna see if it's worth it. I'm gonna tell y'all if it's worth the money or not, if it's worth the hype or not, if you should be trying to get your hands on one of these if you don't have one. But if you're here, make sure you subscribe to my channel below, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and let's get into seeing if this headband wig is worth the hype that y'all hyping it up to be. So let's go ahead and see what's happening. So in today's video, we have ULAHAIR. They sent me a headband wig. This is the packaging they sent it in. And actually, it was around Christmas time, so I guess that's why they got the Christmas tree out here, which is not festive or whatever. But, I mean, it's after the New Year now. But, you know, I love when they send these plastic, girl, what? I love when they send these silk bags because I do put the wig back in the silk bag because I don't like to keep like the box or nothing. They did send me hella headbands, a comb, which I always need a comb, some lashes. These are actually cute too, and this is the headband wig. So I did get a 22-inch 22, baby, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the inches. I'm trying to get the inches of 2021, boo. Ooh. Why am I so excited about this? I'm way too excited about this. Well, I got a 22-inch. I'm pretty sure this is a deep wave wig, but I will be sure to put, I mean, obviously everything is in the description box. I'm gonna write it on the screen exactly what kind of curl, but I'm pretty sure it's deep curl, deep wave, deep curl wig, 22 inches. So the headband is attached to the top, but it's not attached to the back of the wig, and it is a Velcro snap, so you don't have to worry about like the little combs, which I hate. So they do give you a Velcro snap, and you can make it adjusted to be as tight as you want it to be. So it can be super tight or it can be loose. You got a big old head, you know, you can put it right on the edge. You got a little bitty hair, you can put it all the way on the end. They give you a comb to put underneath, which my hair is in a ponytail, so I'm gonna stick it under my ponytail. And they give you a comb, 3 combs on the top. So y'all ready? Because I'm ready. So I got this super cute houndstooth print, or this checker print, black and white. Love it. It matched my shirt today. We got stripes, which is the tie at the top. We got a little tropical mommy. You know what I mean? Like, it's not in season right now, but when it get cold, I'm gonna get warmer, and I wear my little headband wig. Y'all know I'm putting that out. We got the pink, really pretty mauvey pink, which matches my makeup really good today. I'll be wearing that. And then we have the wine color, which also matches my eyeshadow today, girl. So we got the leopard print, half leopard, half just plain. That's pretty cute. Okay, I can feel in that one. And then we got the pink with the pearls, which I know J15 coming up, and I've had this on, period. Let's try on this wig. I'm so excited about this hair. I don't even think I'm gonna wet it. I was gonna wet it, but I really don't want to mess up these curls. These curls are beautiful, and I don't want to mess up the curls, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm not even gonna wet it or nothing, boo. So let me put this wig on. So I untied, well, I unsnapped, unvelcroed, you know what I mean, unvelcroed the back, and we just gonna put it on like this.
Little.
I just don't want to mess up the curls. I'm not gonna wet it or nothing because I really love the curls. So of course you can fluff this out and make it as big as you want to. You can even go in and put some layers in it just to make it stand up some at the top, but I'm not gonna do that because I really like the way it's laying right now. Like I don't wanna mess up. Yeah, my sister came here to see my wig. You want to wear this on it?
I am.
She ain't gonna wear my wig, boo.
Catch me in it.
Go watch my sister's channel. It's Jarvis. I put it across the screen. Yeah, they sent me a bunch of headbands too. Like, So like I said, of course you can fluff this hair out as much as you want. You can cut it into layers if you want it to be more voluminous up at the top. I like the way this looks because I think it looks kind of natural looking. Oh, what I say? It looks natural looking, which I like. But yeah, the curls are, it's the curls for me. It's the curls for me. Okay, y'all, so this is how that wig looks, y'all. The curls though, like, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. Maybe I'm just obsessed with the curls because I didn't have to do nothing. I literally put it straight out the box. Straight out the box. Bam, bam, do a little fluff, put your headband on. That's it. That's all you have to do, y'all. What I tell y'all, I guess the hype is good, but I don't know if I would like a headband wig if it wasn't curly though. I feel like the curly ones are really just like grab and go. I feel like if it was straight or something, it'd be a little bit more work. But you know what? Let me back up. Let me back up so I can get a better view, boo. Like, girl, like, tell me this ain't lit. Tell me this ain't lit. Like, period. So don't forget to check the description box for the link to this exact wig. I'm pretty sure that this wig was very close to $100. I'm going to put it on the screen how much it costs, and it's obviously going to be in the description box. So if you like this, make sure you write in the comment section if y'all think that, you know, the headband wigs is where it's at, because I mean, everybody, if you're watching this video, then you know that headband wigs are like a big craze right now on YouTube, and I had to try it for myself. So if you try one, make sure you put in the description, make sure you write in the comment section if you think that it's worth the buy. Like, you think it's worth it, if you think it's really good, get up and go. Because this right here is like the curls. Like, I feel like this is like a very, very high grade half wig. Like, it's really just a half wig, but it's with real hair. Like, girl, and I used to love me a half wig. If you go look on my channel back on the beginning of my channel, I love a good half wig. So I'm back to my half wig days, but like with human hair, I mean, you can't get no better than it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. so make sure you come back and see me during those times, and I'll see you in the next one.